Thank you for joining us. First tonight, more than a dozen animals euthanized. 5 people in jail tonight after a drug sting led investigators to an underground dogfighting ring. News 2's David Hamilton tells us what led police to this brutal operation.
Sylvia's Zachary Police Chief Daryl Lawrence told me this is something they never expected to find when they started this multi-month investigation.
Not this dog fighting thing. This was a horrifying scene.
Law enforcement spent the last 2 months investigating a suspected drug operation across Zachary and Feliciana's. But what Zachary Police Chief Daryl Lawrence says they uncovered was far worse.
One of the dogs missing his lower jaw. You could tell it had been in fights. It was being treated with some type of IV to try to keep it alive. That's sick.
More than 24 dogs were recovered along with guns, $10,000 in cash, 7 cell phones, and drugs.
And anybody who likes animals would be appalled about what we actually saw there. These dogs were in horrific shape. They were kept in small, confined areas, no clean water, no food. It was a horrible situation.
Investigators believe this building in Baker is where the fights took place. It is not known at the time how long the operation had been going on. At the building, you can see rusted cages, dog food, and broken chains. Lawrence says they also found dog training equipment inside. What's there?
We're talking the treadmills, the weighted chains, the weights. There was also some steroids, different things there that they could use to shoot the dogs up to enhance them. Those type things. Several dogs that were in there were in, bad shape, the dogs were. So it turned into that, and my guys from that point called in animal control, and they took over the animal cruelty part of it from that point.
All the dogs that were recovered have since been put down. Authorities booked 3 suspects, Delvecchio Neff, Terry Neff, and Terry Wilson, on more than 100 counts of dog fighting and aggravated cruelty to animals. 2 more people, Daisy Holliday and Aaron Watson, were arrested on other charges. Lawrence says this is still an open investigation with potentially more arrests. Sylvia.
All right.